The things that made us decide to replace our bathroom was it was outdated. It had old paneling, and it was paneling that looked like tile. It had just started deteriorating, had a little bit of mold in the corner, and that concerned me because down at the city building where I'm the mayor, we had some major mold on there. Working with Allstate's Home Improvement has been fantastic. I've actually never had a better company that we work with. We looked at a lot of contractors. This is why these guys are leaders in the industry. They did a fantastic job.
You start learning about a lot of the benefits of using them, such as the warranty. And also working with Allie, she was the best in trying to help me make my decisions that I needed to make.
The communication between Allstate and us has been impeccable. Every step of the way, they would call us or we would stop by up there, whether it be Allie, Chase, Dylan, Brandon, or Zach. I mean, they were fantastic about, they touched base with you. We would use Allstate for our next home improvement project. We have a couple coming up that we'll use them for.